Welcome back everyone. Right now we are in Vietnam in the region of Sapa, the green region of this amazing country. And we're more specifically in the Cat village, one of the most famous spots to visit here. Let's go and see what this place has to offer. Sapa is very famous due to the rice terraces and the green scenery of the mountains here in Vietnam. To get to here, you can do it either one of two ways. You can choose a one-day tour that comes from Hanoi. For that, it is a very early tour because Sapa is around 6 hours away from Hanoi. So let's say the tour starts at 6 a.m. in the morning. You get here around midday and start the tour around the most famous spots in the region. The other thing you can do is take a night bus around 7 hours from Hanoi to Sapa, stay one night in the main town, and then you can explore the whole region. Here around the region you will find many activities to do. The best to move around is either rent a motorbike or hire a taxi. You can also arrive to many spots by foot, just like to the Cat village. We are staying at the center of the town and we decided to hike to the Cat village, which is the place we are in right now. So to move around you can either do it by foot or rent a motorbike. The Cat village is one of the most famous spots to visit here in the region due to the traditional rice terraces you can find all around the village. The entrance to the village is 150,000 dong, which is the currency of Vietnam. You can pay the entrance fee right at the entrance of the village and then it works for the whole village. You're going to find certain spots to take pictures that they also charge because local people live there. So you can either choose to take pictures there or take pictures in the free spots that are all around the village. Though we found a perfect spot to take pictures, which is the place I'm recording from right now, which has the perfect view of the rice terraces, which is located where you see a rice basket, a rice collecting basket sculpture. Right below that you go down some stairs and a little path and you find a house completely empty, doesn't have any sort of public, with the perfect view of the rice terraces. When you come to the village, you can hike the whole village. It is quite big to do a whole day hiking, but small enough to do it by foot. You can take pictures, try the cafes, and go around the waterfalls. Also at the entrance, you're going to find several places to rent the local typical suit. If you want to dress up and take pictures dressed like the local people, you can do things like that as well. Here in Vietnam, as well as in other Asian countries, you can bargain the price for things. So if you're going to rent a suit, make sure you get the best price possible because you're going to find tons of places for that. A motorbike to get to the village, just keep in mind that around the village you cannot do it by motorbike, only by foot, because the village is literally in the middle of the mountain. So you will only find paths and stairs all around the village to walk. So you will need to leave your motorbike at the entrance and then do the rest by foot. One of the most amazing things about this region is the weather. Like right now we are in summer in Vietnam, so cities like Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh are super hot at this moment. But this place, because it's up the mountains, is very nice weather. It's not hot, it's very nice. So it is a good place to visit the whole year. Of course it has a rainy season, just like many other places, but it's very good. Another thing you will find in the village is many places with handcrafts that you can buy, typical handcrafts like bags or jewelry or things like that you can buy all around the village as a very nice souvenir. And also there is a theater where they do performances. The schedule for the performance is right at the entrance of the village, so if you want to watch a typical performance in the village, that is a very, very good thing to do. You will find the theater right at the bottom of the village. There is a map at the entrance as well, so you can check where it is and make sure to be there on time. And that's all for today's video. I hope you had enjoyed as much as I did. And remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my content. Thank you so much for watching it, and I will see you all on the next trip.